Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ubuchineye. I'm here, a student of Cloud Server Administration IT 235. I'm here to give my response to the recorded interview question for the week. But before I proceed, I would like to define a virtual machine. A virtual machine is a software emulation of a physical computer or hardware and hardware resources. It runs on an operating system or multiple operating system on a host operating system, thereby making it possible for different or multiple operating systems to coexist. Now, going straight to the question of the interview. The core components of a virtual machine includes: one, a hypervisor, which manages and allocates resources to our virtual machines. Then the second one is the memory, which is a RAM, and it provides the memory on which our virtual machines runs. Then we have the storage. This storage can either be a hard disk or a storage device. We have the virtual CPU, which processes the processing power for our VT. And the last but not the least is the network interface. Without the network interface, there is no way our virtual machines will have connectivity or any form of internet access. So the network interface is very, very crucial to our virtual machine. The second part of the question is leveraging virtualization technology in a business environment. There are different examples of that. The first one is providing an isolated environment where we can do development and testing of different softwares without having to harm the existing ecosystem or the environment where users and businesses thrive or do their businesses. The second one, server consolidation, which makes it easier for individuals to reduce their costs by reducing the number of physical components or computers they have, or servers that is they have available, because they have deployed most of their resources to the cloud, making it possible to reduce that and increase their business efficiency. It helps in enabling desktop virtualization. It also helps a business to recover quickly from disaster, and also make sure that there is business continuity, in the sense that when a disaster strikes a business, it makes it possible for you to quickly migrate to another virtual machine and continue with your business processes without having to lose money, time, energy, or even lose customers as a result of unavailability, or your service product or services not being available to your end users at that particular moment. And the last one is scalability and flexibility. Scalability refers to the ability to increase or decrease our virtual machines resources at every point in time, making it possible that we only consume what is needed at every point in time. Why flexibility? Why flexibility helps the business to make sure that they are able to adapt to the existing workload. Example of this happens when a business is having peak periods. So at those peak periods, it makes it possible for more resources to be deployed at that particular moment, in order not to have lots of traffic or the sites not being available. So it deploys a lot of resources, making it possible for you to optimize the peak period and deliver the best to your end users or your customers, so at the end of it everybody becomes happy. And when this peak period elapses, the system also relocates those resources back again, because at that particular moment there is no need for them. So it actually helps in stopping any form of wastage while virtual machine is being deployed. So scalability and flexibility helps you stay in control of every situation as regards to your business environment. Benefits of visualization include: one, cost savings. It reduces the amount or the money a business might spend on hardware resources and energy. It also increases the efficiency of every business, because at every point in time it controls the amount of resources being used by the business. It helps in improved flexibility, and the last but not the least is it helps in improved disaster recovery and business continuity. The following are examples of use case scenarios where virtualization plays a major role. First is virtual desktop infrastructure. The second one is creating an isolated environment where testing and development takes place. And the third one is computing infrastructure, which includes information infrastructure as a service. I believe with these few points of mine that I have been able to explain to you. I believe with these few points of mine that I've been able to convince you that I'm the best fit for the role of a system administrator in your organization. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.